All right, welcome back again. So this hour, I have something to share with us because many of you have seen when DPM was sharing videos of, humanitarian activities, her organization participating in humanitarian events, humanitarian activities in the far north, in Jigawa, in Kebbi State, in Kwara State, in so many places in the north, right? And both north and the west. Some people claim that she was funding Northerners with Biafran's money, mostly raised through fundraising. In case if you're not aware, Lazuba was using that to make mockery of herself. And the fallback republic did the same thing when Nkiru was with Ogenkere. They claimed all manner of nonsensical things just to rubbish the DPM names. This is how they roll. When USB government launched satellite radio, they said that is that what she can do? Oh, where is that? Where is the radio is nothing. Ngozi radio is nothing. Yeah, we don't need radio now. We need to fund army. Now they have Ogenker and his group have launched radio. when DBM was sharing the videos and pictures of humanitarian activities, which her own organization where she belonged before even joining the Freedom. They said that she's from the north, she's a northerner, she's actually supporting her people. Today, Nkiru is now sharing her own humanitarian work, sharing her own humanitarian group and other, which is also AI, by the way, because I'm going to share that with you. But this is to let you know that they all expect, they wish to be like her, they look up to her, they want to be like her, but once they don't meet up, best thing is to degrade her, talk down on her, for her to be as low as their own level, or even go low beyond their own level. When we talk, they say, oh, they paid you. But the truth of the matter is that these guys are something else. They don't mean anything good for you. They are not for you, not at all. Everything they have criticized in the past is actually what they are struggling to do now. Everything. When that radio came up, the issue of radio, I knew what they said. I'm here on social media. I receive a lot of attack on comment section. Oh, even as of last week, before they launched their own, they were asking me, what is the radio now? Where is the radio now? We'll go 247 use that to mock USB also in his recent videos. They always come after somebody that's better than them. And the reason why they're attacking the person is nothing than to prove, that what they're doing is the best than the one other people are doing. Because they believe that once they rubbish your name, your profile will drop, then they will not have few steps to meet you or to bypass you. That is tactics they are using. That is tactics they are using. Nkiru sharing her own humanitarian group, they mock Biafrans about the word humanitarian. Oh, so your funding now is humanitarian funding, not BLA funding. Oh, you are now making collecting money from our people to fund humanitarian organization. Ngozi is a president of a NGO, non-governmental organization. I received those words today. I'm surprised that most of them are now trying to do what they have criticized DPM of doing in the past. That brings me to this conclusion that these people, one of the reasons why, if not the only reason why that they are fighting DPM is not because of that she have done something wrong in different movement or different agitation or anything. The reason is because They cannot allow her to excel like this. How can she be the only one progressing and we are here without doing anything? I want my name to be out there. I want to hear something. I want to become somebody. Look at these two pictures here. Nkiru, who is here, generated AI video of herself, which is you are seeing here, to advertise her NGO and to have a humanitarian group. Now, she copied a video from white people and made it together to another video of people distributing food item or helping people in Nigeria, and made it together to become one video, and she tagged that to herself. This is to tell you that each time they hear the name DPM or whenever she achieves something, is a very big pain, is a very big thorn on their flesh. They always fight to be like her, to look like her, without putting things they know to put before anything. Eze Sinachi Abia. Eze Sinachi Abia. Eze Sinachi Abia. Ada Azo Eze Azo. Izo ya Azo Fia Gineze. Or Chinemeze. Now, let's quickly go through her video. Maybe you understand more things from this. Let's just go through her video. This is Nkiru post, okay? On Twitter, she called herself Madam Nikki Agunwai. Are you getting it now? Everything that DPM bears. She's not the only one. I just want to sit down and focus on her now. She's not, you see, she's not calling herself Agunwai. This is the problem. The same thing Noginkere looked up to PM, because PM bears Meje Wago, Odogu, name it, Obato Bie, and what have you. DOS and Noginkere, people like that begin to feel, how can I be here? This guy is one receiving this honor. People are cherishing him. People respect him. What can he do that I cannot do? I can do better than him. That kind of mentality. It's for the chima the chabrov. It's for that time. Everybody have his or her own time and season. My own time cannot be your own time. Your season cannot be my season. How many of them know this? How many of them actually understand this? I doubt, if any. I doubt. Now let's quickly go to the post and the video itself. He said, "Humanitarian works delivered by Madam Nikki's great foundation media coverage." Now pay attention. Like I said, only her name alone will tell you who she is. It is because of this singular reason that this woman, who have never had any issue with DPM, not at all, write her off. She preferred to support even who is the worst person, even Boko Haram, than to support the USB government or work with the DPM on Dr. Orabueze. Because that's not, there's two captains cannot be in a ship, right? They can be in the ship, but they cannot pilot the ship at the same time. So that's what I mean. But this lady prefer to be in a platform where she will become the only eyes that sees everything, without focusing on the right thing, do the right thing at the right time. Humanitarian works delivered by Madam Nikki's great foundation media coverage. When you come here, look at this AI. This is not her real video, okay? You can see it's not her real video. And she generated this AI to push this criminal activities.
NK, founder of Madam Enki Foundation. We are giving aid and support to the needy. This is for your family. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
AI. Pure AI. Now, I'm going to take it again. Pay close attention. Look at her here. Anybody supporting Ogenkirima Madab will have potential of criminality in him or her. I don't know this woman. She have not done anything wrong to me. I'm not saying this to make her look bad, but to portray and bring the truth to you, so that whenever you come across people like that, you know. So it's not personal. Watch again. This picture is totally AI generated video, and here watch
My name is NK, founder of Madam NK Foundation. We are giving aid and support to the needy. This is for your family. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Can
much.
you imagine? Can you just imagine? Let me pause the video, okay? Because there's nothing there, just sound. I want to pause the sound. So let's manage it this way. Now, one more thing. Pay attention here. Oh God, I want to take it back again. Let's start from beginning. It's just 52 seconds, okay? It's not going to take us much time. Look at the AI. You can see. Now I have something to say. Okay, the look here. Wait, let me take it back a little bit again. From the look at the face here, right? Then see how when the whole thing changed. Okay, this person you are seeing here, is it the same person here? That is AI for you. It's not the same person, right? The same clothes, the same body structure, because you put your picture to generate a look-alike. Now listen, different people. Now here, the environment here shows now if any men are West African are by, right? The environment cannot be American, cannot be American. Look at it. Here you have Alamajiri. Okay? Alamajiri. The same people that told you that Ngozi is giving money to Alamajiri, where she come from. I get it now. The lady is now showing you videos of Alamajiri benefiting from her so-called AI, from her own for self AI generated video. Look at it. Then I will tell you when she merged this video instant with what is going on in outside the world. Look at it. This is the same location. Okay. See the same location. Watch. It will move to a foreign land now. Then you understand what I'm talking about. Just pay attention now. Look at it. Okay, this people cannot do with that AI. Watch. She will imagine now. Look at it. Okay, look at the environment. You see the environment here? You see the building? Or let's go back. You see the building here? You see the same? Are they the same? No. You can see? You see the look, the environment, the surroundings? You can see? Now she's gonna merge it with look at it. See the background, see the white people. Okay. And at end of the day, even the video from Homeland and this one has nothing to do with Nkiru. What did she at the end? Okay, she couldn't say anything. The video just repeated itself. So these are the people that want to argue with you. They want to tell you what to do and how to go about this. Come on. We are not fools. We know the truth. We know the truth. And that's why I have issue with them. That's why I have issue with all they do. Because they are not supporting Ogenkere because Ogenkere is doing that which will yield good fruits. They are supporting him because that will ridicule the person they see as a threat. Okay? So that's it, to ridicule the person they see that perform better than them. That is how to just to push the person out of the way. And it's not gonna be done. You need to do what you can do to support without putting this kind of mindset that everything must pass through you. It is very, very heartbroken, very, very shocking, and we need to condemn that. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Do not hesitate to put your comments. I want to read from you. I want to know what you think about all this. Because so far, do you agree or disagree? Have you noticed what I said in the past? Have you noticed it from these people? Or am I the only one noticing that? Let me know in the comment section. Because I believe that 80 or 85% of every woman that is against DPM, Dr. Ngozi Orabueze, have the same problem. Not because not because she's not doing that which will lead you to freedom, or she have something, or she have committed something that warrant this attack and hate. No. But the simple reason is, why must she be the one? Why not me? I can do better than her. that kind of mentality. That is what is disturbing these guys, and it's unfortunate that they are bringing it to a movement like this at this point in time, that everybody, all hands needed to be on decks, on deck to achieve something. Let me know what you think. Like I said, God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye bye for now. Take care. Bye.